Yesterday, Ms. Wang received a call from an after-sales service company regarding a power cord repair, stating that the plug of our CUH controller had burned out. Ms. Wang was also confused. After investigation, we found that this power cord was not our company's genuine product, but a counterfeit. With the development of the internet, all major platforms have counterfeits of our CUH. How do you distinguish them? Today, Ms. Wang will make a video to teach you how to distinguish our CUH's genuine power cord. First, look at our aviation plugs, which can withstand a voltage of 8,000 volts. Prevent effective grounding measures from being used when arc welding. Prevent the connector from burning out and protect the safety of personnel and equipment. Secondly, our power cords have reached the industry benchmark in terms of materials and processes, and have passed UL certification, making them safe and durable. Especially when customers' products need to be exported to the United States or Canada, UL certification is a necessary condition. Finally, our power cords must have the CUH logo. If you are not sure whether the product you bought is genuine, you can send an email to our email address sales@cianj.com to consult us.